Using that stupid blue puck, too. Skate! You got KT with you.
Whoa.
It's that blue puck.
Yeah, these are all my teams.
Back check. There you go, Matt. Go. Keep skating. Get out of the zone. Annie. Play it. Save Drake. Jeez, he cleared that with a backhand. That fucking so light.
Yeah.
Yeah!